To other news, the bloodletting continued in parts of the island Saturday with the shooting death of a 16-year-old boy in Irwin Heights, St. James. He's been identified as Chris J. Thompson. According to reports, the shooting happened at 6:30 p.m. The teen went to a community shop and while there, a car drove up with armed men who shot the teen several times.
By the shop go by, because then bring the kerchief come give me, and the shop owner say the kerchief him come by and he having drink put on it, and the car, I guess they say car when the lyrics were up around the place, so him just come out at the wrong time, and as he come out and go towards the shop, then run in upon him and shoot him in the head.
Now, while in the community, we observed empty roads and locked doors, signs of a community in fear. The father of the teen says there is a gang feud brewing. However, he is sure his son is not involved.
CJ no trouble nobody, you know. CJ no trouble people. He hardly talk. If in spirit not take you, he don't have nothing to do with you. He just gone about in business, or if you talk to him and you say something where you encourage him to give a smile, he smile, but otherwise he don't talk.